Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'm in our embroidery room. I want to talk to all the restaurant managers or restaurant owners out there who are looking for server shirts, restaurant uniforms with their logo embroidered or printed, or any other merchandise that you might want to offer your staff or your customers. I'm going to flip the camera around, show you some of our capabilities real quick. I took the opportunity at a lunch break to come in here because it's much quieter without all these sewing machines moving their needles up and down. But as you can see here, we've got a customer's logo order on our embroidery machine. We're doing a large 4-inch left chest logo, which is fairly large for a left chest logo. We've got lots of equipment in here, lots of blank polo shirts and other shirts queued up and ready to go. And we've got quite significant embroidery capability. So if you're interested in having a regal looking logo on aprons or on server shirts, or again, on merch that you sell in your store, we can help you out. I'm gonna flip the camera around once again. In addition to embroidery, if you would prefer to have t-shirts printed, we also offer that out in our main shop. I'm gonna open the door here. This is a more familiar look. Now I'm out in our shop area. Here's a fairly large order waiting to be printed for one of our clients. Again, it's lunchtime, so the machines are not operating right now, but it's also a lot quieter in here. As you can see, we've got pretty substantial capabilities for screen printing as well. So if you're a restaurant looking for customized t-shirts printed or embroidered, maybe aprons or merch to sell in your online store or in-person store in your restaurant, give us a call. We take orders ranging from one piece up to hundreds or thousands of pieces here at AMBRO Manufacturing.